folks, welcome back to another adventure in Red Cabin Cooking. That's where we make something complicated, not complicated, and make it in a poor Alaskan cabin with no running water, barely any heat, and just an electric stove. So today we're going to tackle bagels. And here's my instructions. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, all that I asked for is bread flour. Well, I got all-purpose flour. I don't have any bread flour. I got some sugar. It's going to have sugar in it. I got salt. I got that. Vegetable oil. I got that. I got the instant yeast, and I got water. And I got everything but the bagel seasoning. Right there. Everything but the bagel. It's all there. This goes on top. So now we've got all our ingredients gathered, and we'll show you the exact list of ingredients and how much of each in a panel. Probably maybe up here on this side, or maybe completely over the whole thing. So stay tuned. We'll be right back with how to make bagels. Alright, so to make the batter, we're going to start off. We activated that yeast, and it's been what, 5 minutes or so. We're starting to bubble up. So now I'm just going to whip in a little bit of flour here to start. It's a total of 9 cups. And I'm just going to keep adding flour here. It's 2. It's 3. I'm going to go grab me a spooner. Oh, spooner. Okay, we got 3 in there. Let's do 4. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a little less than 9. You can always add more. Alright. Let's get it wet. Get that flour wet. Basically all I'm doing is getting the flour wet. We're just taking pictures of the trees off frame. I'd have some background music for y'all, but YouTube and Twitch and all the rest of them, their algorithms won't allow you to have it in the background. So normally, when I'm baking, I'll be listening to classical music. But, okay, so I've got most of that wet. The key to this is you got to develop the gluten in the flour. So now I'm going to pour this out on my kneading board and just beat it up with my hands, while my assistant cleans the bowl. Flour. I'm just gonna get in there and knead that stuff. wonder if I was supposed to put vegetable oil in the dough. Look on the sheet there and see if it calls for it.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Only 2 tablespoons.
Oh, okay. Well, they don't pick that much up from the rolling the dough in there. Just toss a couple tablespoons of oil in there. Yeah. Okay, we're going to let this rise about an hour. I think it's an hour or 2 hours. Here, baby, give me the.
It runs 2 hours. So.
Yeah. All right. So you put my dough in there, and I'm gonna roll it around. Now let's let this rise up, and we'll be right back.
My angle doesn't. Okay, we're going to take one of these, and then we're going to drop it in this boiling water. Let's do a couple at a time. Let's do a couple at a time. Then boil for about 2 minutes, and then we'll pick it up as we bring it back out. So stay tuned. Okay, you're ready to come out of boiling water. You can put other flavorings in the water if you want. Then drain, and then I'll put the wet side down on the bagels. Oop. It over. This is on there. Green. Put some on top. Just like a poppy seed bagel. I have to use 2 sheet trays for this. Okay, folks, you'll be back in the next phase. So that's all you really got to do. You boil them for 2 minutes. Then you want to roll on your toppings and you put them on a sheet tray for baking. So stay tuned. We'll bring you back when we do the next step. Stay tuned. All right, folks, this is what they look like right before you want to put them in the oven. You want to preheat your oven to 475, and you want to slide those in there for 20 minutes. Check them. If they're dark enough for you, take them out. If they're a little lighter and you want them a little browner, just leave them in a few more minutes. Just keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Okay, folks, after 20 minutes at 470, this is what it looks like. There's our homemade everything bagels. Check that out. Let me zoom in for you. Delicious. Look at that food porn. Oh, yum. Just imagine those split in half with some cream cheese, some salmon. Oh, my inner Jew is just going insane, even though I'm not Jewish. Until next time, folks. Hope you enjoyed your time at the Red Cabin. Take care. Don't let the COVID-19 get you. And fuck communism.